Right now, every major robotics company is locked in a brutal arms race to build the ultimate factory worker. Elon Musk wants millions of Optimus units welding cars, and Figure is optimizing for raw factory floor uptime. But yesterday, LimX Dynamics completely broke the script. They officially unveiled Luna, a full-sized, lifestyle humanoid designed to completely ignore the factory floor. This isn't just another prototype demo. This is the moment the humanoid market officially splits in two, and the engineering powering this machine introduces a radically different approach to embodied AI. Here is what's happening under the hood. To understand why Luna matters, you have to look at the mechatronics. Most industrial humanoids are moving toward rigid, metallic outer skeletons optimized for high payload capacity and easy component swapping. Luna takes the opposite route. LimX has wrapped its hardware in a premium textile finish designed specifically to soften its mechanical silhouette for public interaction. But don't let the lifestyle aesthetic fool you. The engineering underneath has been heavily upgraded. Moving from their industrial Ollie platform, LimX bumped Luna up to 33 degrees of freedom. Those extra degrees of freedom aren't for lifting heavy crates. They are entirely dedicated to human-like micro-expressions and high-agility stabilization. Luna is engineered to perform, move smoothly through crowds, and execute complex balance shifts that industrial hardware simply doesn't prioritize. But the real breakthrough isn't the chassis. It's how this robot learns to move. Traditional locomotion profiles require thousands of hours of reinforcement learning simulation or rigid trajectory coding. Luna bypasses this entirely using LimX's new VideoGenMotion framework. This neural network allows operators to ingest raw video footage of a human performing an action, whether it's a specific walk, a dance, or a complex gestural sequence, and automatically map and translate those kinematics directly onto Luna's actuator array in real time. It effectively turns human video archives into an instant motion library, allowing for a level of physical expression we haven't seen from factory-bound models. This brings us to the software stack, COSA OS. While Western companies are hyper-focused on single-agent vision language action models optimized for solo task execution, LimX built COSA as an agentic operating system with native multi-modal interaction and real-time swarm control. During the launch event, they demonstrated how COSA can dynamically handle real-time commands through an intuitive task editor. But the real engineering flex is its architectural scaling. COSA OS is built to natively synchronize and manage over 200 robots simultaneously in a shared environment. Think less lone factory worker and more fully coordinated automated fleet operating across massive commercial spaces, theme parks, or entertainment venues. So, what is the ultimate play here? While the rest of the industry fights over automotive supply chains, component-level manufacturing tasks, and bringing down the bill of materials for industrial labor, LimX is placing a massive bet on a completely uncrowded market segment. They are betting that the first multi-billion-dollar humanoid rollout won't happen behind closed factory doors. It will happen right in front of us, in the public eye. Let me know in the comments. Is ditching the factory floor a genius market move, or is industrial automation the only viable path forward for humanoids? If you want more zero-fluff engineering breakdowns as the automation frontier moves at breakneck speed, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and I'll see you on the frontier.